Yvonne, we're in the middle of a contract here with a new construction. Why'd you buy a new car?
It's not a new car, Pete. It's actually a loaner, but it's like only 100 miles. I got it from Honda. No, don't worry.
Okay, all right, we're good. Okay, all right, we're good.
Don't worry. Never buy a new car when you're buying a home. Otherwise, you would be dead in the water.